Welcome back to Dipansh video time, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a saving system for your Scratch games. So let me first show you a simple demo of it. So you can see that we got these values, so we can get a save code. Let's copy it and then let's run this again so you can see that this is now totally different. And if we load the save code, you can see that it went back to the original save code. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can do this. So sorry for some disturbance in the middle. I just I just say sorry for all this disturbance. So first we have to create a new project. Just wait a second. There's a disturbance, sorry. Okay. So the first thing we'll need to do is obviously create two buttons. One to get the save code and one to load the save code. So the first thing we'll do is just come here, draw a nice big fat button. This is in the center. We'll just get this, change a little bit effects. So yeah, we can just get a kind of light grayish color, and we can name this get save code, and we can just type in here get save code, and we can make it be kind of like red or something, and we can just paste it in. So this will be to get our save code, and we'll just copy this save code, and this can be load save code. So load save code. So after we have this, we can just name this to load save code. So load save code, we can just place this in a good center position. And yeah, we are already kind of ready to start coding. So first, let's go into our get save code. Now, for this, I'll need to make a list, and the list will be called save code, obviously. So save code. Let's save it, and now we got a brand new set of blocks to use. Yay! Okay. Now the next thing to do is create the variables. So I'm going to be creating for variables. I'm going to name it cash. After we got cash, we'll get health. After we get health, we'll get save code, and after we get save code, we'll just put in score. Now, it doesn't matter how many variables you have, it's going to work for any type of variables you put in. So these will just be our test variables. We can just set a nice good wide. So we can just hide the safe code variable. Now we can just put in a nice good wide position for this. You know what I'm talking about? So something like that. Okay. So sorry if we got some disturbance, but now we are going to be getting into the code. So when green flag click, then this is going to be setting cache to a kind of everything to a random number. So set cache, set what we have held, and set score to pick random one to, let's say, 1,000, 100, and this can be 1,000. So when green flag clicks set to these, then we can go to our list and we can hide our save code list. Sorry about that. Then we'll just go to the position we are in right now, and then after that we'll go to the front layer. And obviously, I just want to show it. Now with this, I want to create a new block. So I'm going to make a block, And what will the block be called? I'm gonna make the block save code adder variable var, and then after that I'll be adding another label called max 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 length. Sorry, something happened. There we go. Max length, and it would be max length. And just to click OK, no need to click the run without screen refresh button. So after we get this, I'm just going to be doing some quick stuff so that we can just get into the code and see if our getting safe code is working. Okay. So if the length of safe code is lesser than var, so if the length of var is lesser than max, then I'm going to be changing it to an if else, and I'm going to be repeating it. You can go here and get the plus operator, and inside that would be the length of, should be I think max and length of var. Set safe code, set safe code to join safe code and zero. So to join, so we can take the join over here. Join, oops, the join, okay, safe code and zero. So just wait a second. My internet is really bad today. Yeah, join safe code zero. So after we get that, we can just copy this and paste this right below it. And you can just set it to join safe code var, or else we can just do the same actually. Yeah, we just do the same in the else. And yeah, we are done with our blocks. So bye. Now let's fully focus on this. So sorry for forgotten this. Okay. So now we have to add a forever loop. So forever, if touching mouse pointer, if touching mouse pointer, if touching mouse pointer, then I'm gonna add if mouse down block. So if mouse down, wait until not mouse down. So I'm just going to be adding the not over here. So wait until not mouse down. I will then delete all of safe code, which I'm not deleting at front, I'm hiding it. So my goodness, yeah. Delete all of safe code and set safe code to nothing. So set safe code of blank. That's all I need. Then I'm just going to be putting in the calling block, the safe code adder, duplicate, and right now nothing will happen. So don't comment it. So all you have to do is just take in the two variables, which would be hash, hope, and score. And max length would be 3, 3, and 4. And yeah, then all we have to do is just add our safe code, so this safe code, the safe code, and then after that, add copy everything, add, sorry, copy save code above. Sorry about the disturbance. And then after that, I type in show list safe code. And yeah, if I run this, I click the safe code, we get a safe code called 481961. Mm, yeah, I think it's working. Is it? Is it working? Okay. Is there any error actually? Because I'm quite confused. We're adding. So if var is lesser than max, repeat max plus length of var, then inside that I should be joining safe code with 0, right? Let me just check if I put all the code correct. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. It should be actually length of, and we just put this in here, and oh my god, what? Yeah, there we go. So what it should be is it's so confusing. So here, put this in here, we put this in here, we put this in here, and now if we run it, yeah, there's another array coming, which is this shouldn't be that many number of zeros, if I'm correct. And then I found another error. You can just change this block to a minus, and now we got the safe code I was wanting. That is 028, 012, and 0672. Okay, so sorry if there was any disturbance. So now we can go into our load safe code. So we can just put now, what should there be in load safe code? So obviously, I'm just gonna add a simple variable called anchor for the sprite only, and the code is pretty long, but not that long. Like it can then be done in advance. That type long. So first, let's do when green flag click. I'm just gonna zoom in a lot because I want to. So go to the position it is right now here. Then after that, go to front layer, show all of that. It's just going to be the same. Go to front layer, show. So forever, if we are just going to be adding a little bit of the same code, so if actually mouse pointer, if mouse down, then after that, wait until mouse not mouse down. It is when we copying the code and then so wait until not not mouse down. So mouse down. Then I'm just going to be hiding the list safe code. So hide list safe code. Then I'm just going to be asking, I'm going to be formal, okay? I'm going to be really formal and ask, please enter your your given safe code. Thank you. And then after that, we write that, please enter your given safe code. Now, after we have that, we can set our safe code to the code. So I'm just gonna go down, set safe code to answer, with answer. Answer. Yeah, there we go, answer. And then after that, goodness. It's all about playing with variables here, actually. If you want me to tell the truth, it's just all about playing with variables. Four of the variables will be right there. Oops, sorry. I should have clicked the duplicate. Now, what variables will be there? It will be cash, health, and score, and zero, blank, 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 and zero. So I'm gonna now put in some repeat blocks inside it. Okay, I'm just gonna be putting in some repeat blocks to help us. So I'm just going to be adding two repeat tree blocks. So I think inside of our mouse, not down. Is it inside of our mouse, not down? Yeah. Okay. So what you have to do is repeat three times, and repeat five times. Yeah, repeat five. There we go. Now, what should we do in these three repeat blocks? So first, for the first one, we'll change anchor by one, followed for the three left. Okay. Then after we have that, we will set cash to, health to, and score to. So we'll just put that in also. Okay, there we go. And we'll set our cash, our health, and our score. Now for cash, I'm going to be joining cash, obviously, and letter, anchor of safe code, of safe code. Now for this, I'm going to be doing the same for health and for score. So instead of this, I'm just going to be joining health, and for this, I'm just going to be joining score. And yeah, I think you're most likely done. So I'm just gonna be load safe code anchor. So let's just number one get a random safe code. So let's say 97, 40, and 483. Let's get the safe code, and now let's just keep clicking. We get another one. Let's load safe code, and you can see that it got set back to the safe code it was given. So you can name the project safe code generator. Safe code generator. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next video, Dipansh video time is out. Thank you and goodbye.